Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix GeForce Experience Error Code 0x0003. First thing I want you to do is right click on your start icon, come here, click on your device manager right here, and from the left hand panel you'll see display adapters. I want you to click on this and I want you to identify your NVIDIA graphics card. Just right click on it and then click here on update drivers, and then click here on search automatically for drivers, and if you see they're already installed, that's perfect. Otherwise, just go ahead and install the updates that are available. After that, all you need to do is just come here, click on search, and type in services. And from here, open this up, and I want you to scroll all the way down until you see the NVIDIA processes right here. So here, if we scroll down, we should see NVIDIA right here. As you can see, this one is running. So just make sure running, just right click on them, just click on restart, just to make sure that it is running. So as you can see, it's attempting to start. And this one as well, the frame view one. Okay, just right click on it, click on start. So you can see right here, it is also running, and do the same thing for the last one as well. Just make sure all of them are running, because this one usually it is set as manual, right? Once it is running, you should be good to go. Found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix